In this short video, I'll be showing you how to group your clashes based on a proximity distance. And what this is we actually create like a sphere at the coordinate of the clash, and we specify a radius of that sphere. Then inside the model, any sphere that touches each other will automatically be grouped together. So there's two places we can set this. Now in this new version here, we've added the proximity grouping here on the main page. So I can click on Enable Proximity, and I can come in and I can specify that distance. So let's say 2 feet. Okay. This unit is always based on the unit of the model. Another location we can do it is we can go into Options, and then we go to the Advanced tab, and right here it's also set. Okay. So I'm going to go OK here. Now we're going to bring up our column chooser, so we're going to click on the column chooser icon. Here brings up the customization dialog box, and down near the bottom we have proximity group. So I'm going to drag and drop this, and now you can see here's this proximity group. Well, nothing's really being applied here. Anytime you change this value or in the options, you really should do a refresh first. So I'm going to refresh it. Expand this back out here, and I'm going to grab that proximity group once again, come over here, I'm going to drag and drop it, and now you can see I've grouped it by a certain distance. Now I'm going to save this layout. I'm just going to call this one proximity. It's prox and go save. Now I'm going to change this value. Let's say I'm going to change this value to only 1. Okay, it's not going to update until I hit refresh. I saved the layout so I don't have to re-add this again. So if I hit refresh here, and I'll expand this out, and now you can see they look a little bit different because now I'm only grouping the clashes within 1 foot of each other. So same thing, I'll do it one more time. Let's change this to 5 feet. Let's see what this looks like. We'll hit refresh. And we'll expand this out, and there's my groupings at 5 feet now. Okay. This concludes this short video on proximity grouping.